Here we're going to take a look at the Carly Adapter. We're going to use this on a BMW 5 Series, an E60. We will diagnose, look at the different fault codes and also see what coding we can perform. You'll need to download the Carly app from the App Store or Google Play. There's a free version. It's very limited. It does offer one full diagnostics for free, and it has a limited number of coding that you can do. If you're going to buy the Carly Adapter, you're going to buy the Pro version of the software as well. There's no way around it. Just keep in mind that if you want to do things like register a new battery and a few other coding, you might have to buy an on-app add-on, so you might have to spend even more than the price of the app. You need to select your BMW model. In this case we have an E60. Next you need to select the year. Click on Diagnostics to run a full diagnostic on the BMW. And it can't start yet because we don't have the Bluetooth adapter selected, so we'll go ahead and do that. Once you start seeing the dots at the bottom of the pop-up window, that means that the Carly adapter is connected to your car and is communicating with it. Now you're ready to scan for the fault codes. So far, Carly has found 18 fault codes and it keeps on going. We're up to 29. And that's 29 total fault codes. You can look just as the codes only, so if you select the module that is on red, and on the right you can see the different fault codes. Some of them are unknown, some of them might just be stored codes, so you can just go ahead and clear them. So it is good to review all of them, and then once you're done you can just go ahead and clear all the codes, and then use your car for a day or two and then come back and see what codes came on. Once you're done reviewing, you can clear all the codes at once, or you can also send a report to someone via email. Next, we're going to look at what coding is available on this E60. Here you can see all the systems where some coding is available. If you click on any of them, on the right side you can read from the car. It will automatically do a backup of the coding in case there is an issue. And then next, once you enter that menu here, you can see the available coding options. And you typically can activate it or deactivate it, disable it. Once you select the option, just hit code car, hit OK, read the warnings. You do need to be careful because some of these coding might also break your BMW and you might cause problems. So it's recommended you just code one item at a time and go ahead and test it before you can try to code something else.